from Golovkin.
Rosado's a real fighter.
Oh, good right hand. Right to the face of Rosado, cracked him up pretty good, and now Golovkin putting his power.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Lentz Lundy Boxing, and today we're going to review the underrated jab of Gennady "GGG" Golovkin. So let's get into it.
Golovkin, as he eats a jab right there.
I mean, that jab rolled his eyes back in his head. Rosado lost focus with his eyes from a jab.
Gennady "GGG" Golovkin is one of boxing's hardest punchers. He holds a record of 41 wins, 1 loss, and 1 draw, with 36 wins coming by way of knockout. This gives him an 87% knockout ratio at the time of this recording. Although Golovkin is known for viciously beating his opponents into a bloody pulp and knocking his opponents out cold, it's important for us to understand how he sets up his big KOs. Gennady is able to stop most of his opponents thanks to his infamous and underrated jab. Gennady Golovkin is a one-dimensional fighter who applies constant pressure whenever he steps into the squared circle. He's able to apply the constant pressure thanks to his powerful jab. He usually uses one of 2 jabs: the power jab and the flicking jab. The power jab is used to inflict damage as soon as it lands on the opponent's face. GGG sets up the power jab by fighting on the front foot and lunging forward as he throws his jab. As Gennady lunges forward, he ensures to land his power jab with his entire body weight behind his punch. He makes sure to land his jab with his index and middle finger knuckles. He also makes sure to straighten his arm and lock his left elbow in order to maximize the power in his jab. The flicking jab is used as a rangefinder as well as to set up power punches. Golovkin uses the flicking jab in order to set up haymaking power punches. He usually flicks multiple weak jabs as he looks for an opening in his opponent's guard. As you can see, the jab is a crucial tool to set up big knockout blows. GGG usually uses his heavy power jab in order to make his opponents feel and respect his power. Golovkin sets up his spectacular finishes thanks to his sophisticated and underrated jab. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more great boxing content like this one. Drop a like if you found this video helpful. It really helps to push this video out to more people. Drop a comment if you have any questions or video requests. Share this video to a friend if you enjoyed or found this video useful. Peace out. I'll see you next time.